I'm Mike with Veloci, and we are out here today to do some cleaning. We got some old AstroTurf that used to be on this step, some old glue and gunk that's still stuck to it, so we're going to blast it off with turbo nozzles. We've got some mold and mildew over here that we're going to clean off this patio. We've got all these weeds, which a nice little 15-degree nozzle is going to tear up. And over here, we've got a fence that could use some TLC. The machine of choice for today is going to be our 4x4. It actually kicks out about 3,600 PSI and 4 gallons a minute, so it's about a 4.0 nozzle, 3.5. And then obviously our Cobra Jet Blue hose with SGS 28 and a 36-inch stainless lance. I can't get it all off. You need a hot water. When you're going super fast, see the lines. That's bad. Don't do that. Go nice and slow. When you're shooting, always keep it in the same plane, like this, not like this. The further away you get, the lower the pressure. So keep it right here. All right, so we finished the patio, and now we're gonna finish up by cleaning off the fence from all the debris that we splashed up on it. In this case, you don't wanna use a turbo nozzle. We're gonna use just a 25-degree tip, and we're gonna go top down, left to right. See the line right here? As you can see with the cold water unit, we're able to get the majority of the loose debris off, as well as some of the adhesive, but this stuff is so stuck on here, the only way to get the rest off is going to be either with a hot water machine or possibly a grinder.